In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a post on LinkedIn. If you want your content to go live at a specific time instead of posting it immediately, LinkedIn makes that pretty simple. Scheduling is useful when you want to plan ahead, post during peak engagement hours, or stay consistent without needing to be online at the exact moment your post is published. To begin, go to your LinkedIn feed. This is the main homepage where you normally see updates, posts, and activity from your network. Once you're there, look for the area that says Start a Post and click on it to open the post creation window. Now, type your content into the post editor. This is where you'll write the message you want LinkedIn to publish later. Take a moment here to review your wording before moving on. Since the post will be published automatically, it's a good idea to make sure everything looks the way you want, including spacing, tone, and any final edits. After your content is ready, look for the clock icon in the post window and click it. This is the scheduling option, and it opens the controls that let you choose when your post should go live. Next, click on the date field and select the day you want your post to be published. Choose carefully so the post goes out on the right day for your audience or campaign. After that, click on the time field and select the exact time you want the post to appear. It helps to pick a time when your audience is most likely to be active. But the key thing here is simply choosing the date and time that fit your plan. Once you've selected both the date and time, click Next. This confirms your scheduling choices and brings you to the final confirmation stage. Finally, click Scheduled to finish the process. At that point, LinkedIn will save the post and publish it automatically at the date and time you selected. That's all there is to it. You've gone from opening LinkedIn, creating a post, choosing the scheduling option, setting the date and time, and confirming it. If you're managing content regularly, this can be a great way to stay organized and keep your posting consistent without having to stop what you're doing later.